Her stuff. Some sort of spoiler. This year with Giraffe. She's singing. That dude, Savannah. She's married. You heard it. How are you? Guys, subscribe to the back double. It's about time for a change. Before we get into the video sirens, I just want to explain. I brought out my Vegas vlog earlier than expected, and so this vlog right now that you're about to see is all my Australia, Sydney content. So enjoy me going to the wedding, maybe writing some music, you know. Let's get into it. And then we'll get back next week to LA. So enjoy. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Hello, my beautiful sirens. We are back with another vlog. And Nikki is back. My camera broke. We're gonna start there. My camera broke, so this week it is currently, what day is it? Saturday? Saturday. It is Saturday. Today is a very special day because our cousin is getting married. She's getting married. Actually, we did our first professional musical together as a family. So I was in the Sound of Music when I was like 12. You were how old? 8? Jeez. And then she played Maria, so it was a full Von Trapp family. So yeah, she's getting married and we just went to Bondi Junction to grab a few things at the mall. Some makeup and some press-on nails. Your girl hates putting on the nails, so... No, real nails. Guys, I don't know which one I'm gonna use. It depends on what I'm wearing. I have no clue what I'm wearing. That's bad. I have no clue. In Sydney until Wednesday, I leave next week, so we're gonna vlog as much as possible. Now that my camera's fixed, we're back. Got a sports car, we can in it while you drive it real far. Okay. And we're in the car. When was the last time the whole family was in this car?
Oh, going to pizza.
Yeah, that's a pizza. Yeah. Really? They're all driving now and like that's cool. Oh, Dylan's in the back. No, I'm
all the aircon.
Dylan's got the prime spot. This car has been through everything with us. Road trips to the snow. No.
I just blocked my.
Now we are driving an hour and a half to the wedding. Where is it?
You've got
Whale Beach. I didn't film getting ready.
I'm
not doing a good job this week, that's for sure. I put some blue nails on to match the dress.
Thanks, Queen. You know, I literally watched her growing up on YouTube.
I know, I told her.
That's so weird.
This is Emily. Emily just
Hi, Emily. Love you, Queen. I literally watched her growing up on YouTube.
She was on the last vlog, or like the 2 vlogs before this.
She's younger than me.
How did they get
Yeah, I
like the
know.
weather?
But she's like wise beyond her years, that's for sure. Okay, I think if I were to get married, guys, what? She's singing, she's singing.
Do we have any gays in the house who might like to assist with the fluffing of the wedding dress?
The MVP. Out it on the stand.
And they're married. She's married. She just got married. Our cousin Ashley's married now.
Guys, my wedding's like next week. What?
Yeah, like vision board, that's what we want. Who's the lucky man? What is taking him so long to find me? I'm like 18, like let's do it. It's so close up. It's a video.
Oh, I thought you were saying a photo.
Look at Denver. Wow. Look at that handsome man. Older brother.
Yeah, I never threw these.
Twin bro. Look at him. Look at that handsome man in that suit.
You've never seen it.
You got a beer in your hand and a wine.
My dad, but
Wow. No, you don't look the same. I'd like to say you do. No, I don't. Me with the beard.
I was about to shave it, but then I decided not to.
I like it.
There's gonna be a lot of old people at the party.
And then there's the not twins of the family. Favourites right here.
Number one.
Number one.
Number one.
Yes.
Winners.
King.
Why you get the Christmas? Bam's inside. I'm sorry. Australia, you are stunning. Wow! Chillin'. This is so cute. Pork belly and some fish.
That's such emotion. I'm walking on air. Just to know you are there. Hold me in your arms. Don't let me go. I'm going to stay forever with Stephen Madsen. Is where I will stay. Give it up, folks.
I got the fish and Nikita got the steak.
Absolutely, just fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Look at what he always on the clock. The groom right there. He's actually from the UK. From the UK. Hi guys. Oh, where do I look? I've stolen Savannah's camera. Anything you want to say while Savannah's not here? Anything you want to say to the camera while Savannah's not here? He loves you. What about you? The difference in oh, I swear to God, if I end up on YouTube, crazy. How do you even vlog? Like,
I couldn't do it.
I used to do it. I used to be on YouTube. Guys, go subscribe. I don't post anything.
Gorgeous. Okay.
Okay, that is the end of the wedding. We're going home. Everyone's been drinking and I have not, so I'm the designated driver tonight. It was the most beautiful wedding. Oh, so crazy that my cousin's married. But yes, time to go to bed. And then tomorrow I have a meeting, a very important meeting. And then I'm going to a concert. So I'll explain that tomorrow. Love you guys. Good night. The boys. The boys in the suits. You'll never see the boys in the suit again. Good morning. I have a meeting in the city and I forgot it's St. Patrick's Day. So there's a bunch of Irish people packed. Wish me good luck. What is going on? We're going to a concert. The cutest Bank Arena. I'm with my twin brother.
We went to the wrong gate.
We went to the wrong gate. But you know where we're going? We're going to a concert that I've been invited to. It's the Linkin Park concert. Rock concert, guys. And we're going to the cutest Bank Arena. One day I will perform there.
Yeah.
My meeting went well. And then I've been so tired all day. But now we are going to enjoy a rock band. Classic 2000s rock band. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, they've started. You can hear the crowd.
Yeah.
The last time I was here for a Katy Perry concert. I was like 9.
I was here at a Nitro Circus, like motorcycle.
Oh my god. Oh, we made it to time!
Do you every time like this? That's perfect. Oh, you already know it. Rock a rhyme like this. Do you every time like this? Who can rock a rhyme like this?
I've come so far.
I can't sing, man.
Wow, that was a crazy concert. Like something so new and fresh. Like I would listen to rock music, but I've never been to anything like that before. Yo, the lead singer, she did Linkin Park really like justice. It was so good. Time to go home, guys. Time to go home. Cause I have a recording session tomorrow. Okay, good night. Linkin Park was fun. Oh, this is so cool. No one is here. Good morning, my beautiful sirens. It is currently Monday. I know, new week. I have an exciting day today. We are going to the studio to write a song that I have been writing with this amazing producer, amazing writer. His name's Bailey Pickles and Kelvin, and they are just one of the most talented people ever, so I can't wait to finish this song. I'll give you some sort of spoiler of it, but come to the studio with me and let's create some magic. And my camera's gonna die. Good morning, everyone. I went on my morning walk. I did a Pilates class and now I'm just running some errands before I go to LA tomorrow. My camera's been playing up again, but here we are. We got some goodies for Jana's birthday, which I'm excited about, and yeah, so I go to LA tomorrow. Crazy. I need to go pack. Hi Sirens, guess who's at the airport? I'm about to go to Los Angeles and then straight to Vegas, which is crazy. I didn't really film much of my time in Sydney. I just wanted to enjoy as much as I can with my family. I had an amazing wedding for my cousin and I wrote some songs, some good music, caught up with a few friends, which was really nice, and yeah, I'm back on the plane again. To be honest, I just didn't have the mental capacity to film this week, so you're getting as much as I am giving you right now, which I'm so sorry. But you know what? We're back. I packed last night and I was stressing because my bag was so full. I have so many shoes. Guys, I have the biggest feet. Do you see this? And I love boots, you know me, so packing all my shoes is the most difficult thing ever. You know, we did it and we got to the check-in and the guy literally let me through with overweight baggage. Shout out to that dude. Love you, mate. Love you so, so much. Thank you for getting me onto this flight without paying overweight. Okay, I'm going to get onto this flight for 15 hours, edit, do my thing. See you on the plane. Thank you for listening to me talk all the time. Love you guys. Bye. Also, I forgot to tell you, update. I finally changed my name on Spotify. It's not Savannah anymore. My artist name is now Savannah Clarke. I think it was about time for a change. Do you see that? Do you see that? Savannah Clarke. Savannah Clarke. You heard it. Savannah Clarke. Savannah Clarke. I'm about to board and I had to get a coffee from this little truck here. It's a little van in the airport. It's 7 miles is such good coffee. So we are back in my apartment. Welcome back to my bathroom area. It is Jana's birthday today and it is currently 7:25 p.m. I'm gonna be there in 5 minutes, so we gotta run. But we're doing like a little casual number today. This is the dress. We got bag and these bad boys. What? A little fun. Oh, I lost my necklace. I left my necklace at home. I gotta run. Oh, if only I had my necklace, this would make things better. This is the fit. Love you. Bye. Time to celebrate Jana. So good. It's the birthday girl.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much vlogging.
I know. I'm so excited. Dana got another free shot. 21. And we're about to go to Vegas. Happy birthday, dear Jana. It's 21. Yeah. It is time for bed. I am so tired. Jet lag is definitely hitting me after that long flight. Tomorrow, we're going to Vegas. I'm gonna get up early and go for my walk, so I'll see you guys in the morning. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Birthday. Starting. Oh my god. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.